Hey friends, I have an easy pasta dish for you. It's my easy Creole chicken fettuccine with broccoli, and I will have all of your ingredients listed below. This dish is delicious, so you have to make it. So let's get started. So first I have my chicken breast out and I'm seasoning it with the following seasonings, some Creole seasonings, some granulated garlic, some granulated onions, some black pepper, a little bit of salt, paprika, and then I'm going to, of course, I eat both sides. So do you, so you want to season both sides. So I am actually just flipping it over and making sure I get all them spices all over the chicken. And then of course, after I'm done doing all of this, definitely going to go wash my hands because I'm dealing with poultry and I don't need no cross-contamination or any of that going on. So next I'm creating the pasta water and I'm adding some chicken bouillon to that. You want to reserve a cup of that for later on so that we'll be adding that to our sauce. And you guys cook it to package. So next in my pan, I've added some easy OO. And when you lay your chicken, you want to kind of lay it in a different direction so that it doesn't splash on you. And I'm going to fry this until it gets to 160 degrees internal temperature. And I'm going to brown it till it's just beautiful like it is. Look at that, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? You're not waiting for any time for this chicken to cook. Next, I'm gonna add some butter to this, and then I'm going to kind of spoon that wonderful olive oil and butter over the chicken. So you guys, if you have not given your girl a thumbs up, I'm gonna request that again. Please give your girls a thumb up because it's taking some time to make these videos. Anyway, I like doing it and I like showing you guys how I'm cooking. So anyway, this right here is just adding more flavor to the chicken. You know, I'm all about flavor. So now after I've taken the chicken out, I'm adding in my onions. And as you see, I'm scraping the bottom and I'm getting all of the bits and pieces off the bottom because that's flavor. And now I've added in some minced garlic that I just minced up and I'm stirring that around. And now I've added some tomato paste. I'm gonna stir that around. I'm adding a little bit of flour because I wanted to thicken my sauce. And I'm using that reserved pasta water. And that's what I'm putting in there now. And then I'm gonna be adding in some heavy whipping cream also to create this wonderful, wonderful cream sauce, you guys. And there you go. I'm just adding a little bit at a time and making sure I stir it very well because I don't want any lumpy, clumpy sauce. You know, I need my sauce to stay smooth and creamy and just be delicious. So next thing we're gonna add to this is the cheeses. So next I'm adding in some Philadelphia cream cheese. And I'm also adding in some Parmesan cheese. I'm using two different brands of Parmesan cheese, but it's still Parmesan cheese. And I am actually just cutting my slices in there. And I'm gonna let this simmer on a lower temperature and so that it all combines, because if it's too hot too fast, it will separate and it'll be a little grainy. So I don't want that to happen with my sauce. I just want it to blend and smooth in. And I'm just gonna keep stirring this until it's, you know, a little bit smoother and break down. The next part that you really want to do next is to do your taste test and see where you need to go with your seasonings. So I just added in some more granulated garlic. I've added in some basil paste. I'm adding in some Italian seasoning blend. And I'm going to stir and a little bit of Creole seasoning. I think I'm going to add that too. There we go. And now I'm going to stir to combine. Now, I didn't add any additional salt because there's salt in that Italian blend and I don't want it to be salty. So, and then I know the pasta is probably gonna bring over some salt as well because you don't rinse your pasta because it has all the flavor on it. So that also, because the water is salty, is gonna add more salt as well with the pasta. So anyway, I'm adding all the pasta into my sauce. And then I'm stirring that around. And next I'm gonna be adding in the broccoli. Now I took the broccoli and I put it in the microwave and I just steamed it for about a couple of minutes. I didn't want it to be all the way done because I knew it was gonna go into here. But here you go, you guys. This dish is done. I am plating it for you. And I have taken the chicken once it is rested. I've cut it on a diagonal and I'm going to top it on top of this wonderful pasta and broccoli. And you guys, it is such a delicious dish. You need to make it. Leave your girl some comments. And as always, I want to tell you thank you for watching and enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Don't forget to click thumbs up and subscribe so that you can get all of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.